I kind of have a test. Is it simple? Is it repeatable? Is it scalable? Following those three things with the Employment Hero platform, everything that we've been able to do has been simple, repeatable and scalable, to the point that we have a team of 2 that support Thermosash Commercial.
We should be a team of about 4 or 5 for 566 people. Employment Hero has picked up all of that admin support. It means that I can then get on with the things that is worth my salary.
We will be migrating very shortly onto Employment Hero payroll. For the first time in the company's history, everything is going to be done the same way. If I put my risk hat on, it means we get things right the first time.
Employment Hero is an asset to your business. Compared to how we used to do it with loads of spreadsheets and emails, it's just night and day. Plug and play. You can start tomorrow.
Every little step forward that Employment Hero does is removing the work of having to manage people. It's enabling leaders of the business to focus on what they're there to do. Employment Hero, one system, everything employment.